Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, we're going to be opening this 1959 Chevy Impala by Monogram. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so, first off, we have the nice, beautiful box art. Well, it's not really a box art, it's just a picture of the actual car, but skill level 3, that's Monogram's highest level. More pictures on the side. This kit is one that my dad is going to be building for, well, not for anything in particular, just as a next build, because, as you know, if you've watched my video on my Cadillac, that's also a 1959. So he kind of wants to join in on the theme. So he's going to be building this 1959 Chevy Impala. Alright, let's get to it. So, actually wait, before I get into the unboxing, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who supported my channel, because we are at 515 at the time of this recording. I just want to thank you guys so much for the support. Really, really appreciated. Alright, so let's open this box. What? Tires fell out. Huh. So, okay, so first thing, we have the glass. It's not scratched. I don't know why they didn't put them in plastic. They really should have. Unlike the Cadillac, this is only molded in white. There's a chrome tree over there. We'll have to get to that one later. So let's open up the white styrene tree. Ooh, we'll get to that body later. First up, we have this tree. Tree number 1. Awesome, awesome chassis. Again, huge. It's like more than the size of my hand. Lots of beautiful detail. Over here we have the dashboard, molded in Impala up there. I just love these old dashboards. I wish they made cars like how they used to now. Front suspension, exhaust, springs, styrene tree number 2. We have the inner door panels, interior panel. Very nicely molded again. Interior tub with molded in rear seats. Front seats, bench seat. Oh no, jeez. Back of the front seats, and white walls for the tires. Styrene tree number 3. Hey, that rhymes. We have the engine. Beautiful engine. Gas pedals. Oh, yes, this is awesome. It comes with a Continental kit. This might be a hot take, but I think 59 Impalas look better with a Continental kit. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. There's the steering wheel. Transmission. More bits and pieces. More engine bits. Battery. And, oh yes, fender skirts. And the hood. Jeez. Firewall. Radiator. Next up we have the red tree. Those cat eye taillights. Beautiful. And finally, we have the 59 Impala body. Look at this beautiful molding. Like, it's amazing. That's where the front grille would go. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Bam. I love 59 Impalas. They're so cool. That's it for the white styrene tree. Now we're on to chrome. So, first we got the hubcaps that go over top of the wheels. Emblems in there. Rear bumpers. Front bumpers. Ah, yes, see, this is the Continental kit. And that's not. Front trim for around the window. Grill. That's definitely going to need to be black washed. And around the bottom of the doors, that's where you put the cat eye tail lights. Gauge, I believe. That's chrome. Oops, that's chrome tree number 1. Yes, you heard me. Number 1. Well, here's number 2. This looks to be an engine piece. Oh! Comes with door handles. Super awesome. Windshield wipers. These are like the chrome pieces that go on the front fenders. Yeah. That's it for chrome. And I believe I showed you the wheels at the start. Ooh, it comes with decals. We'll have to look at those later. Instructions. Just gonna take a quick flip through these. First up, we got the engine, chassis, chassis. And then we have suspension, radiator, wheels and tires, interior assembly, more interior assembly, interior to body, flip it over, body assembly, more front bits, rear bits, Continental kit down here. Yeah, see, side chrome molding, windshield wipers, details, hood to body, and finally we have, whoa, these are not decals. I'm assuming these are what you put on the seats. Now, this is pretty different. I mean, we got license plate stickers and seat stickers. Yeah, this is definitely stickers. It's not... Yeah, those are stickers. They're not decals. That's what happened with my Cadillac, too. They came with stickers. You'll have to see that if you watch my video. For those that have successfully watched to the end, I want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what my dad is working on. So let me remove this camera. There we go, successfully removed. Over here, we have his Buddy Baker NASCAR kit. Quick little sneak peek. Comment down below if you want to see that final. That is why he is going to build this Chevrolet Impala next. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. We have some cool stuff coming up that you really don't want to miss. Again, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Really, really appreciate it. I couldn't be more happy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.